Look at the steam coming off, and I am just waiting. To make our garlic butter, green beans, and mushrooms. I'm going to show you what I have here. I have 1 bag of green beans, and I cut off the tips, as you may see. 11 baby bella mushrooms, 1 onion, and 5 cloves of garlic. So this is pretty much what you will need to make your holiday string beans and mushroom in garlic butter. So let's go. All right, in my pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter evenly in the pan like that. So it's evenly in the pan. I am adding my onions. I'm gonna add my garlic. Get out of here. Just mix everything around like that. Looks good, right? I know. Now I'm adding in my spices. I have some adobo, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some Mrs. Dash. Mix that around. Let that cook for about 2 minutes. Keep it on low heat. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also that little bell right down below, because that's how you're going to get your notifications whenever Maxine's Corner upload a video. Okay, my healthy people, so it's been about a minute, and as you may see, everything looks great and delicious. This is exactly what I'm looking for. You can see the spices, and then I'm going to add my mushrooms. Added my mushrooms. Mix everything together, give it a nice mix. I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for 3 minutes, then I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, so it's been 3 minutes. All right, and as you may see, the mushroom does have a lot of liquid in it, so it springs lots of water, right? So that's pretty much cooked. And it's going to cook some more once I add my green beans. So it's time to add our green beans. Just going to add a few at a time. Nope. So I hope my pot is big enough. Oh my God. What you want to do is pretty much, you're just going to mix this around the best you can. This is a delicious garlic butter, green beans with mushrooms. Perfect holiday side. You will love it. Your family will love it. Everyone will love it. Everything is all coated. Perfect holiday side, guys. Green beans and mushrooms. I can taste you with some garlic butter. Alright guys, so I do have it on low heat once again. I'm going to cover this up for about 7 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright my healthy people, so it's been 7 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Woo! Yummy! See that? Look at that. See the mushrooms, the onions. Everything is gonna be alright. Maxine's Corner's got you covered. Yes. Look at that, guys. Delicious. You still want your green beans to have a crunch, so you don't want to cook it too much, okay? You don't want to cook it too much. And you got the mushrooms. I'm just gonna taste this one right here. That is perfect. All right, my healthy people, it is good. Still has the crunch that I am looking for. That's it. That's all we need. This is our garlic butter String beans with mushrooms. Perfect for the holidays. Let's eat. It's time to serve. Look at that. Let's serve it up. There it is, my healthy people. Absolutely delicious. Garlic, butter, mushrooms, and green beans. For the holidays, for any time, whenever you like, you're gonna love it. I am loving it. Here you go, here you go. Oh wait, let me give you a piece of the string bean. Here you go. Okay, let me sing. That is an absolute delicious recipe that you and your family will enjoy for the holidays. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. And what? Stay healthy.